you know. Basically, we have a couple of products that you can use that will always make you safe all the product all day. All right. So let me put it this way. You see this face cream. It's a face cream that you will always use from time to time that has no side effect. Before you would use this face cream for 1 week, this is a pure, like you will use it and you will be safe. It's not like those ones you said they put hydroquinone and they put some kind of acid, they issue. No, not that kind of face cream. This face cream, you will use it in less than a week, you will see result. In less than a week, you will see result because the formula of this face cream, it all makes sense. All right. Yes, we understand that a lot of people, they have different type of skin, so it's not something that you will just put hydroquinone, put powders, put acid so that some people will be complaining I can't use it. No. Are you getting? The only acid they put in is fruit acid, which is very mild. When I mean fruit acid, so are you getting it? You know all about fruit acid is very mild, so it will do only its work. All right, not that you go put some ash powders. No, not at all. So this face cream, in less than 7 days, you will see result. And all white lady, you will know. Anywhere you see white lady, you will always see our logo on it. You see it? You always see our logo on it. So look at it proper. This is the original face cream I'll be telling you about. And you have that, so in less than 7 days, you will see the result. When you see the result, and you will always see the kind of result that you will always have interest to be using in time with that number. All right, I can compare it with any other face cream. All right, I can compare it with all the other smart face cream that you people use, that you call, you buy. So you buy some 40,000, 100,000. With this face cream, oh, I tell you, you are just good to go. So this is the face cream that the lady you asked me about be using. Yes, with just the face cleanser, I will show you, and the face wash, I will show you everything. You can use it and it will work for you, no matter, irrespective of your skin problem you be having. All right, what about if I tell you that for those of you who have sunburn, if you use this cream now, all your sunburn will be cleared off. So that's why I always tell you that no matter what it is, that you should sometimes come to an extent and you will say, oh, I'm even tired of using products that are not working. Don't say, because it's a guy, I don't trust him, because a lot of people have issue of trust. I have that problem with you all. Some people, they will ask me all sort of questions, what I just do, I just don't reply. They'll say, oh, I think you why are you not replying? They will go tell whoever that referred them, will say, no. If that guy don't reply you must have asked a lot of questions, ask. I know, I never say you shouldn't ask questions, but by the time you are not asking me 100 questions just because of face cream you want to buy, I will never answer you anymore, because some of them, they ask you, they end up not buying because they don't have money. So why are you punishing yourself? So you don't need to do all that. Are you getting? Save yourself some money. Save yourself from stress. Save yourself from all these big problem names that you run for. You think I will run because of this and meet influencer to come lie to people my product, you're not using my product, and I will tell you, go and lie to people that you're using it, oh blah blah blah, so that I will know. With the little I'm selling, I think I'm okay. When the whole world is buying from me, I'm okay with that. All right, I don't need to go tell some big lies just because of what is not worth doing. All right, so this is the white lady face cream. Now let me show you the lotion about it. Now see the lotion. All right, so this lotion, for us that really have this, your body is kind of not unified, you be complaining, my body is not unified, this is the only way you can unify your body. Very simple. How do you unify your body now? You first of all do a proper scrub. All right, let me check if I have the scrub here. Yes, you first of all do a proper scrub. And when you do a proper scrub to exfoliate, are you getting it? And also the real name is sensitive, but it's an essential whitening scrub that when you use it on your body, first of all, for those of us who wants to, get white properly, you use this scrub to scrub your skin properly for a bath. Just use it a bath 3 times in a month, all right, or 4 times in a month. That's every 1 times in a week, 1 times in a week. Then you now use this lotion. You see all this dead scale, all this, it will fall off. It removes spots from your skin, not like a lot of people they be using it. It removes spot. First of all, when you scrub, it will remove all the death that they be pending in your skin, oil that can't go off, that form scale in your skin. It will wash them off, to scrub them, or your skin will become sharp. Can't you see my skin? It is what it is. And also, like before you know it, you'll be using this, and when you use this for your body, it removes all spots from your skin, all spots. So if you couple with this, let me show you now so that you know that everything I'm telling you is real. Now couple with this, so it now becomes a mini set. Couple with this mini set, all spots in your body will be off. When the spot off from your body, then you'll not be using everything together. Couple with the oil, you use the oil as a maintenance to maintain the beautiful part of it. That's the beautiful part of it. You use the oil to maintain the skin very, very well. Because I know some people, they'll be asking me, would my spot come back with my this? No, it fade away the spot. Not it covered the spot. I never use the word covered. It fade away all the spots. So when you fade away all the spots, all you just need to do is to be using your oil to maintain it. We have different type of oil. By tomorrow I will be making video on all the oil again. So the question, as I said, you answer the question and you ask me another big question. All right, so that is that. So you'll be using the oil to maintain the skin when you've used this set. So this is a mini set. If you want a full set, then that comes the oil, the soap. Are you getting it? Yes, that comes the oil and the soap together with this. And the face cleanser also. So all our brand, yeah, the truth is, let me be telling you all this, you don't know. All our brand is unique. It's unique. So you might be using some product they are not working, not because the product, and I always tell you, no product, there are some big product that not they are not working, but maybe the process of it making it work, you just don't even know it. How many times have you scrubbed? You've not done that. That's why I be hitting it with this sensitive face and body scrub. That's one thing about the scrub. Again, it's a face and body scrub, which I always tell you that if you're looking for a scrub that you can use, a unifying scrub, this is the right scrub you will use. So when you use this whole set, you become rich in color. Your whitening become pure.